I'm Staff Sergeant Saruji. I'm out here at 55th KK, 11th Engineer Battalion. We're out here conducting our squad live fire right now. Fight.
March 2026, the Korean Peninsula. Behind the quiet hills of the Rodriguez Live Fire Complex, the silence is broken by the roar of 8-wheeled monsters. This is the 2nd Stryker Brigade Combat Team, part of the legendary 2nd Infantry Division. They aren't just here for a routine drill. They are here to execute, seize, and defend, a mission-critical capability that defines the ROK-US Combined Defense Posture during Exercise Freedom Shield 26. In modern warfare, key terrain is everything. Whether it's a high ridge or a strategic junction, he who holds the ground holds the advantage. The seize phase is about violent, rapid maneuver, using the striker's speed to surprise the adversary. But seizing is only half the battle. The defend phase tests the soldier's ability to flip the switch, transitioning from high-speed offense to a fortified, impenetrable defense in a matter of minutes. This transition is what rotational forces must master to stay lethal in Korea. The 2nd Stryker Brigade Combat Team, known as the Lancer Brigade, brings a unique middleweight capability. Heavier than light infantry, but more mobile than an armored division, The Stryker platform is the backbone of this operation. At RLFC, we see the 2nd Infantry Division ROK US Combined Division in action, the only permanently forward-deployed combined division in the US Army. This integration isn't just on paper, it's practiced in every foxhole and every radio call. To understand Freedom Shield, you have to look back to 1953. The Mutual Defense Treaty is the bedrock of this alliance. For over 70 years, this ironclad commitment has evolved. Freedom Shield 26 is the latest evolution, a large-scale exercise designed to deter aggression. It's a clear message to any adversary. The bond between the Republic of Korea and the United States is not just diplomatic, it is forged in steel and live-fire training. RLFC is one of the most demanding training environments in the Pacific. Its rugged mountains and unpredictable weather mimic the real-world conditions soldiers would face. Here, there is no room for error. Every round fired and every trench dug is a step toward maintaining a fight-tonight readiness. As the dust settles at Rodriguez, the 2-2 SBCT moves on to the next objective. Freedom Shield 26 continues to prove that while the technology of war changes, the necessity of boots on the ground and combined partnership remains. The Lancer Brigade stands ready, side by side with their ROK allies, ensuring peace through undeniable strength.